Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, first of all, I would like to thank you all for your love and support. Please keep supporting me by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you. Now, let's get back to the topic. Friends, today we're going to read another Islamic beautiful story. Allah speaks to the Prophet Musa alayhi salam. In this story, we are going to read how Pharaoh was killing every baby boy. But Allah protected baby Musa alayhi salam and saved him from Pharaoh. Later, Allah spoke to Prophet Musa on Mount Tur and gave him his command. Let's listen and learn the powerful lesson. Let's start. About 3,000 years ago, Egypt was ruled by a very cruel king called Pharaoh. One day, a court soothsayer told Pharaoh that a boy would be born among the tribe of Israel who would destroy him and his kingdom. Enraged, Pharaoh ordered all the newborn boys of the tribe to be killed. The children of Israel, already enslaved by Pharaoh, suffered the torment of seeing their newborn sons killed, while only their daughters were spared. During these horrible times, a pious woman called Jochebed of the children of Israel gave birth to a beautiful boy whose name was Musa alayhi salam. She told by Allah that this was a very special child who would one day become a great prophet. Allah inspired her to put him in a box which she was to cast into the river Nile, with the promise that her baby would be safe. She obeyed Allah's order, and as the waves carried the box away, his sister kept an eye on it until it stopped at a bank near the royal palace. There it was picked up by a member of Pharaoh's household and brought it to the queen. The queen was a loving, kind-hearted woman. When she saw the baby, her heart was touched, and she exclaimed, "What a lovely child! Whoever sees him cannot but love him." Despite the king's objection, the queen decided to keep the baby in the palace and rear him as her own child. The Prophet Musa alayhi salam, brought up with loving care by the queen, received the best education. But because Musa alayhi salam accidentally killed someone, Pharaoh intended to slay him. Therefore, Musa alayhi salam quietly left the city and journeyed to Midian, where he met the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam and married his daughter. After spending some years in the beautiful valley of Midian, Musa alayhi salam returned with his family to Egypt. They traveled slowly towards Mount Sinai, passing through awesome landscapes of the desert and rocks. One cold evening, as it grew darker and cool breeze began to blow, they seemed to have lost their way. Musa alayhi salam looked around and noticed a fire quite far away on the side of a mountain. He said, "Wait here, look, I can see a fire in the distance. Perhaps I can find out where we are, or at least get a burning brand to warm ourselves." As Musa alayhi salam reached the source of the light, Allah spoke to him and gave him wisdom and miracles. Allah spoke to him. Allah told him that he had chosen him as his messenger and commanded him to go with these signs and give his message to the Pharaoh who had made himself a tyrant in the land. The end. What a beautiful reminder from the story of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. We learn how Allah saved him from Pharaoh when he was killing every baby boy, and how Allah spoke to him on Mount Tur. Allah does whatever He will. Nothing is impossible. Always trust Allah and follow His guidance. That's all for today. See you next time with another interesting storybook. Friends, if you like the storybook, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like. Till then, remember, obey your parents, listen to your parents, and love your parents. Bye bye.